Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Welcome to another vlog. Yeah, you guys, today I want to cook moi moi. Yes, I've been procrastinating this cooking of moi moi. You guys should ignore the background. There is no lights as usual. There is no lights, so I want to cook moi moi today to run my gen so that I can blend the beans that I'll be using to cook the moi moi. But before then, I want to do my skincare. I just finished taking my shower, and I also want to fix my lashes. It's been a long time I wore lashes. I just hope I can do this on camera. Anyways, if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sonia John, and I am a mom YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. So guys, a lot is going on. Like, Nigeria is hard. I keep hearing people complaining that abroad is hard, things are expensive, this, that. My dear, even here in Nigeria, things are so expensive. Like, fuel is sold for 650 naira, and you can't even find it. You have to queue up for almost hours before you can get it. So I had some in the car. That's what I've been managing, but I don't go out. I've been trekking a lot these days, like trekking to short distance, like instead of driving my car, because I don't have fuel. I can't even go and queue up because of fuel. So I've been trekking a lot these days, but yeah, that is what is going on in Nigeria right now. Fuel is expensive, and you can't even see it to buy. It's very scarce, and the road is empty. No traffic on the road. Like, if you walk through the road, you could see people trekking a lot. No cars. Even people that don't used to trek, they are now trekking. Someone like me, I'm trekking these days. In fact, yesterday someone told me, even you are also trekking. Anyways guys, that is it. I'm just going to fix my lashes right now, do my skincare and fix my lashes, then head over to the kitchen, cook, and then go out. Yes, I'll be going out later. Okay, so let's just get into it. So I'm using this simple moisturizer. This is what I've been using recently on my face. A little of it is enough. I don't use too much cream on my face. Okay, that is it. Next thing I'll be using is my sunblock. I'm using this sunscreen, just a little of it because the weather is chill, but I'm just using it because I'll be going out later, and this weather, we can't trust it. Sometimes it is sunny, at other time it is rainy, so can't really trust the weather. That's why I'm using this sunscreen, a little bit of it. I have my lip balm. Now it is time to wear my lashes. So here is my lashes. It's actually a human hair lashes. It's very short, very short, very short. Ewo, cannot go spoil them. Look at it, so short, but it's very fine. And I'm using my glue from Classy. classic. Okay, so it's time to apply my glue. So let me fix it this other side. So guys, this is it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about my lash. How do I look? Did I try? Let me know in the comment section if I tried. Okay, so that is it, guys. I'll head over to the kitchen now and cook my moi moi, and maybe I'll talk to you guys later. See you. Hi guys, so I want to quickly rush to a Waybill company to pick up an item that I help my customer to order from Lagos. Yeah, the company just called me that the items have arrived, and since I was the one that ordered for her and I used my number, so I think I need to go there now. The problem I have is that I don't have fuel. I don't even know how to go about that. Should I buy black market? I don't know because I just spoke to her. She said anyhow, or maybe I should use keke down there. Maybe that's what I'm thinking. Maybe I should use keke. Yeah, when I get out I will know. So I don't have enough fuel, so I'm just thinking of how to get to the park. So maybe I'll just rush out, and when I come back I'll make my moi moi. Maybe when I come back there will be light. Hopefully when I come back there will be light. So set to go. I want to look like a hot mama today. Yes, so honestly don't know how I look like, but I feel like looking like a mama. I feel like looking different from the way I used to look with my all back hair, and yeah, so this is how I'll be looking to the park, okay, like a madam, not like a girl. So that is it, guys. See you later. Hi guys, so I'm back. So here is my beans. I used my blender to peel off these beans, like to wash it, but it wasn't done properly. I didn't really like it, so I had to use my hand to peel off the beans. So after washing it, I decided to blend it and start making my moi moi. So I'm just using my blender, you know, putting it little by little in my blender to blend with water. So that is it, guys. I'm just going to allow you watch this video to the end so you can, you know, enjoy. I'm not going to add pepper to these beans because my son doesn't even like the taste of pepper in his food. So since he's going to eat these beans, I'm not going to add pepper. I'll add only dry pepper later on, a little dry pepper, but not fresh pepper. So that is why I'm blending the beans without pepper. Ordinarily I would have added pepper and tatashi plus the onions, but no, because my son will not even want to taste it. So I decided to add dry pepper thereafter. So that is it, guys. Let me let you watch this video. Just watch and to the end, and subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, okay, and let me know what you think about blending. It was so difficult to blend these beans because I don't know why. I keep blending before it became smooth. Okay, so that's it, guys. Enjoy. So guys, I'm done blending the beans, and right now it's time to add things. I just added salt. The next thing is pepper. It's like I added so much pepper already but it's okay. This dry pepper doesn't, you know, it's not too harsh. Okay, it's always mild. At the end of the day, you won't feel any pepper. So now I'm adding my seasoning cubes. Okay, then I added my crayfish. Am I the only one that enjoy or had crayfish, you know, to their moi? I added crayfish, enough crayfish, because I will not be adding dry fish. Okay, I enjoy dry fish in moi, like I like adding dry fish to my moi, but today I will not be adding dry fish, so I decided to add enough crayfish. Now here I'll be adding my sardine. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Then a little groundnut oil or the olive oil. Please guys, if you have watched to this point, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you later. Please make sure you watch to the end.